Hi friends, this is Faye from Cook Like a Jamaican. Today I want to discuss with you my favorite dishes that I think most people who want to cook like a Jamaican should try perfect.
What do you think is the absolute dish that people should know how to make if they are going to say they can cook like a Jamaican, they're going to impress their family and friends? Let's start with that one essential dish.
Red peas or red bean rice and peas. That's almost like a must in my time, especially on a Sunday or any event. You must have rice and peas to go with whichever meat you're cooking. Like I said before, it's a national dish, and Jamaicans just love their ackee and sawfish for whatever reason. I think it's a sawfish. I don't know. Brown stew chicken. We are people that love our sauce, our gravy. So you will notice a lot of it are like stew. So that is one of the easy ones to do. We also love our dumpling. We have it boiled in soups and other things, but fried dumpling is a specialty. We have it for breakfast, for parties, for anything that's festive. If you have some fried dumpling, you're doing all right. Oxtail. I don't know what's the special reason, but you just say oxtail and they just love it. Whichever way you're going to do it. Just do it in a brown stew way, whether you're going to put some butter beans in or you're going to put some small spinner dumpling. Soup. On the website you go, you'll see different soups. So you can decide which one you want to try. There's red pea soup, chicken soup, pumpkin soup. You just need to know to make one. Start off with one. We have more than one on the website. Choose one and start with that one. See how it turns out before you move on to another one. Because there are at least 3 or 4 soups there. And I love soup. Another stew, it's curry chicken. It's cooked down in a sauce that gives you a nice gravy with small pieces of potato cut up in it and stewed down, until the chicken is cooked. Don't put a lot of water or anything because the chicken cooks very fast and the chicken will be cooked and you have all this water that you don't know what to do with and you try to get rid of it and then the chicken is overcooked. It's all turned mushy in the pan. So when you make the sauce, keep it thick, put the chicken in, and just add a little water and cover.
So is this turning into a cooking lesson?
The other one is codfish, salted codfish, as we say saltfish fritter. Because when I was growing up, it was either a breakfast or what we call a light evening supper. It would entail having sawfish fritters, fried dumpling, and things like that. It's escovitch fish, or as we say fry fish. Not fried, fry. and it's also easy. You get your fish that you like and you fry them, drain them, and then you make an onion and a dressing with onion and vinegar and pepper and pour over it. Callaloo is a green vegetable similar to spinach, but more texture to it. You can either serve it as a side, just steamed, or you can make it with salted codfish and all the trimmings. So that's what we call callaloo and saltfish. So friends, those are my top 10. If you want to try to cook like a Jamaican to impress yourself and your friends, go ahead, have fun, and like the saying go, break a leg and enjoy. Bye. Just press the button below and subscribe and you'll get more of our delicious recipes. So do that and you'll be happy like I'm happy at the moment cooking for you all. Bye for now.